my channel. Today we are going to be discussing the SAT Math. We will be looking at a testing strategy that you can use when you approach math problems on the SAT Math portion of the exam. Now, we can call this strategy ISME to remember it more easily as an acronym. The first letter I meaning to identify the problem type. This is the most important step to solving the math question. You have to know what type of math problem it is. So right away, just identify it. Identify the type of problem, and then you can begin to work your way through it. Now, before you work your way through it, you will set it up. Number 2, S is to set up the question. Once you identify the type of math that it is, then you can set up the equation or set up the type of problem in a way that you can solve for the answer. Remember to always write down what you know to be true. You take that directly from the question. All of the information, numbers, data, math comes from the question itself. M, make sure you are solving the question that is being asked. In the question, it will provide you all of the information that you need. And then E, you are ready to execute the math. Remember to not let a careless mistake erase all of your hard work. We all know in math that it just takes one tiny little number to destroy the math, right? Thankfully, we are able to do this quite easily on the SAT exam, as you are only given 4 answer choices, as it is a multiple choice type of question we will be looking at today. And most of the math questions on the SAT exam are multiple choice. Now let's go to an example. The example question asks, which of the following speeds is closest to 80 miles per hour? 1 mile equaling 5,280 feet, and then you're given A, B, C, D. Now let's go ahead and apply ISME to this problem. Number 1, we want to identify the problem type. In your notes, you can always write out to the margin here. And let's go ahead and write out I, so we can remember that's identify. Alright, the type of problem. Guys, we are converting between units. So this type of math problem is unit conversion. In your mind, you should know, okay, I need to be converting units here. What units exactly? Well, we look at the problem, right? Remember to use all of your information as you are setting up the problem. For S, you're setting up the problem here. So we know that we are dealing with seconds. We know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And we are also dealing with hours here in the question. And we know there's 1 hour and 60. I'm sorry, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So we can set up the problem that way, based off of what we know from the question itself, the information that it gives us. So let's go ahead and begin to set this problem up. We can write 80 miles over 1 hour times 5280 over 1 mile. Now we can add our unit conversions. What we're doing here, guys, is we're writing any units as fractions, and then we're using multiplication to cancel out those units that we don't need in our answer. So we can go ahead and write 1 hour We all know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And we all know that 60 seconds are equal to 1 minute. Now we can simply do the math. Of course, we are wanting to multiply 5280 and 80 together. $52.80 times 80 is going to give you this big number. 60 times 60, you should be able to do in your head. 6 times 6 is 36. Add 2 zeros. That's 3,600. And that will give you 117.3. That's answer choice B. Okay, don't forget to execute your math correctly. You can set it up all very well and correctly, but you must execute it as well. Now, that is just one example of how you can use ISME. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and I will be providing the best and premium quality content for many different types of math skills, test-taking skills that you can learn on the SAT and the ACT. I also offer courses in many different types of subjects. So, welcome to my channel. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we hope to see you here again. Thank you so much. Hello, and thank you for watching my video. If you liked the video, I am providing a link at the bottom of the page for you to visit my OutSchool page and sign up for a course with me. This is an exciting opportunity to offer many classes as we are living in a different world, and I have so much experience and knowledge and creativity and fun that I want to bring to the classroom. And OutSchool is a great platform for me to do that. I have a course here called SAT All Things English, ACT All Things English, SAT All Things Math, ACT All Things Math. I have ACT Social Studies, Science, everything is in these courses, okay? So if you liked the video and you are interested in taking me as your teacher, then by all means visit the OutSchool page, and I look forward to hearing from you and hopefully you becoming my next student. Thank you for stopping by today.